Continuing where we left off, today we're going to learn how to add code to sprites. So if we look over here on the right hand side of the screen, there's this big blank gray panel. And over here, this tab says scripts, and there's a bunch of words underneath that have colors beside them. The colors are the color of the blocks that that word corresponds to. For example, motion has all these blue blocks. Now let's just talk about what a block is. These pieces, they kind of look like puzzle pieces, and we can stick them together, right? So just kind of, yeah, see? And then some of them aren't going to stick in together. The blocks have these simple instructions on them, and then Scratch tries to follow them like a recipe, and then applies them to our currently selected sprite. In order to use a block, you just drag it over here. We can stick together blocks from different places, which is fine, and we can make this big stack of blocks. I'm going to show you an important block right now, so that you can experiment a bit before we learn a bit more about blocks. Click on Events, and then there's this When the Green Flag is Clicked block. The block says that when the green flag over here, or the Go button, is pressed, do everything that is clicked into this block. So right now it says not to do anything, so if I press green flag, nothing happens. But if I add some random block to it, like maybe, how about the turn 15 degrees guy here? When I press the green flag, the cat turns 15 degrees. Now you can stack in as many blocks as you want to this green flag is clicked, and it'll have to do everything that's attached to it. Like I could say maybe move 10 steps as well as turn 15 degrees. So now it says when the green flag is clicked, turn to the right 15 degrees and move 10 steps. See? So it follows that rule. Now before the next video, try connecting some blocks to the green flag block just to get a good idea of how blocks fit together. In my opinion, a big part of programming is just kind of figuring things out for yourself. You should be comfortable with exploring the Scratch environment because I'm going to ask you to do that a lot of times. Once you're comfortable with blocks, then you can just move on to the next video when we're going to learn about some special blocks. See you next time!